Hello, this is Diana from Yarneddies, here with a quick video to demonstrate how to do foundation single crochet. Start off with a slip knot, then chain 2. Insert your hook into the first chain. Make sure you can see the V of the first chain on your hook. Yarn over, pull up a loop. Yarn over, pull through 1. This creates the chain at the bottom. Yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops. This creates the single crochet and your first complete foundation single crochet. Insert your hook into the previously made single crochet. Make sure the hook goes through the 2 loops of the stitch. Yarn over, pull up a loop. Yarn over, pull through 1. Yarn over, pull through 2. Continue until you complete the desired number of stitches for your foundation. This foundation completes the chain and the first row of single crochet at the same time. It produces a stretchy foundation, great for many projects. Thanks for watching this Yarneddies crochet quick tip video. Hit the like button and click on subscribe for more quick tips.